Hello everyone, I am Jigyasa Chandani. I am a tarot reader. Welcome to my channel Pink Gypsy Tarot. First of all, wish you and your family a very happy Diwali. So today we are going to see what are the blessings coming your way this festive season. What are the messages that spirits and divine want to give you, which you have to or need to know during this festive season. So let's begin with the tarot deck. We have the Lovers. All right, the first card is so beautiful. The Fool. Page of Cups. From the Moonology deck, we have Prosperity Lies Ahead. Beautiful. Don't let your past hold you back. And Confidence is the key to your success. From the Yogic Path deck, we have Tantra. So, all in all, this reading or the messages that I'm getting from these cards are that a new cycle is going to begin in your life. It could be a new love cycle. If you are on a journey to find your soulmate, or you've been longing to find someone and spend your entire life with, or at least find that part of you are going to do so this season or around this season. With the Fool, I see new beginnings for many of you. This beginnings could be in your love life. As I said, a new cycle. It could be business also if you're looking for career opportunities, growth, as well as a new job, or you're planning to start a new business. It is time to execute your plans because universe is by your side. With Page of Cups, again I see new beginnings. This could be that a very young person is going to come in your life and is going to change it. It could be that it is time for you to really heal your inner child. Also, when it comes to child, if some of you are looking to conceive or looking to hear good news of pregnancy, for some of you, the good news is around the corner. And all in all, with this connection, I see that there's a beautiful new cycle that is coming in your life. And for that, you need to get out of your comfort zone. Many of you are in your comfort zone. You need to take a certain risk. Travel is also on the cards for some of you. So with Moonology deck, we have Prosperity Lies Ahead. So this season, of course, it is the season of Lakshmi Goddess. It is the festival of lights and prosperity also. So a lot of you will receive money, or the money situation will start getting better for you. Don't let your past hold you back. As I said, that you need to take the leap of faith and get out of your comfort zone. So your comfort zone is getting stuck in the past. It is time that you get out of it now. High time. And for some of you, it says that confidence is the key to your success. So if you're not confident enough to execute your plans, or you're not confident in your work or about yourself, it is time to awaken then self-love. See, some of you may be lacking some kind of self-love. So you need to awaken that self-love and heal your inner child. And with Tantra, I see a combination of beautiful feminine and masculine energy. So you need to strike that balance. You need to find that person who you can find that balance with, or at the same time, if you can find that balance. So this card talks about two kinds of energy. One which is very focused, which is very strong and concrete and very, very structured. And the other energy which is free-flowing, creative, beautiful. So you need to strike that balance between the two. All in all, it is such a beautiful reading. Don't let your past hold you back. As I said, if there is hurt in the past, if you felt betrayed, or you felt as if there is no one else you can love ever, you need to get out of that energy. You are going to find someone amazing very soon. You need to raise your vibrations and start manifesting beautiful things in your life, which is coming for you very soon. All in all, it is an amazing reading. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. And again, I wish you a very happy and safe Diwali. Please enjoy with your loved ones. At the same time, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Namaste. I will see you soon. Bye bye.